Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the symbol in JavaScript. Okay. So mainly 3 points which I want to talk about here. One is like this is one of the primitive data types similar to we have other primitive data type like number, string, null, object, and undefined, right? Big int. So this is one of the primitive data type. The second point is this always returns a unique symbol value. Okay. So just remember this, and then maybe I will be explaining in the code level, and then I think you will be understanding better. Okay. Third point is because it's like returning unique symbol value always, so it's like good use case to add this unique property key to an object. So this is the use case for this symbol. Okay. Now let's go to the coding part. So okay, so this is like I just have noted down all like 3 points here, and which will we are going to understand each point here. Okay. So when I was saying this is like one of the primitive data type. Okay. So how it is like different? Let's understand. Normally, for any primitive data type, how we can assign this like this way. Like if I want to have this like number variable, I can pass this inside the number constructor here, right? And it like this will print here your value for this. Okay. Okay. So, but this is like normally we don't do, right? We normally just assign the value if we want to have this value like this, right? We don't use the constructor. So similar case is like with string and other primitive data type here. But with the symbol, you cannot use any direct value. You have to go with the symbol constructor always. Okay. So this is the one thing which I want to talk about here. Let's understand this here. So symbol is like always you will be giving as a constructor. Okay. And here let's check these values here. So when you print the value of this you are going to get as a symbol. Okay. Now next thing is to check what is the type of this symbol. So here I am just setting this like symbol. So this is like because it like one constructor kind of, right? So this will return your as a function here. Okay. But when I am going to have this symbol constructor here, okay, because this always returns your unique symbol value. So type of this symbol constructor will be your symbol, okay, unique symbol value. So this is your symbol. This is your primitive data type. Okay. Next point is if I'm going to compare like this here. Okay, type of this symbol equal to this, right? Because here we are putting this type of. So this will be actually this is like we already printed here. So this is going to be your true here. Okay. Next thing, let's now we need to so this is your like the symbol constructor. Now let's talk about the symbol, how it behaves here. Okay. So I assign this value to sim1 and I created this the symbol and passing this label. So this is actually one when you are passing any value inside this constructor, this is like your just label or the descriptor. Okay. So it will tell you only like this is the symbol you created for the and by passing this value. So this is just for the R information only, and we will not be able to use this when you are passing uh, any like label or the descriptor inside the symbol constructor. We will not be able to use it directly. Okay. So next is so here we have the sim2 and sim3. Both are we are using for the same descriptor in both cases, but the return value will be always the unique symbol, right? So this sim2 and sim3 will not be equal in this case. Okay, so if you check the output of this will be your false here. Okay, so when I'm saying this is constructor, so this is actually a special constructor. You cannot use here as a new operator like with this. This is your as a like this only you can use only with this with the symbol and this symbol function kind of. Okay. So, next thing is to like we said to what is the use case of this for the symbol in the object, right? So the third point is here. So let us you consider first here like you have this language code one object and there you have this JS property and assigning the value as a JavaScript, right? So in this case, it actually easily can be overridden this property, right? So if you want this property, you are defining like this value, and this you want at least no one should be able to override this. Okay, so then it comes to the symbol case. Here I just like use this JS and change this value easily, right? But if you want to have something like which no one can override this. Okay, so here I'm going to define this JS symbol and passing this constructor. So now you will be getting the unique value for this symbol, right? So and if I use this as a property here, language code and JS, and now if I'm assigning any value, so this is now is purely unique. Nobody can override this value, right? Because here if you even like if you are going to create one more symbol here, right? Like let's say this is like similar case here. Like if you create this symbol foo again and again, still actually this like values are the unique symbol values here. Okay. So due to that reason, like this is one of the good use case for the symbol with the object. Okay. Now I talked about all the 3 points here. The one more point which I want to talk about, like this symbol actually has some static properties or static functions. Those out and it's actually like many functions are there, but I just want to talk here two functions. One is for and the second is key for. Okay. So let's understand this function. When I am saying symbol for who, so like here this for function mainly look into your global symbol registry. Okay. So if we do not have any symbol for who key, then it will create the symbol for this. Okay. So and wherever like if you are now if you try to access this symbol key for, you are going to get the same result. Okay, because this is always going to look your global symbol registry here. Okay, normally like when we do here like symbol foo like this is your local actually. Okay, this is your local. But when you are using for, this is using global symbol registry. Okay. Now, if you check the value for symbol for this and symbol for this, this will be true, because both of them is going to check in the global symbol registry, and if anything is found, then both of them will get that value. Okay. So here, if you are mentioning like this, like symbol.for, it will create the, if it is already present, it will get that value. If it is not present, then it will create the new symbol value and unique value. Okay. So here you can run this again. Your output will be true here for this. Okay. Now let's print this. Okay. Now here, one thing to understand here, when I'm printing this sim, okay, you are getting like this, right? This, and here actually, like, there is one difference here. When you are saying like this symbol and passing this value, so this is something here. Let's print actually those, actually both of them, then I think will make more sense. I am going to have large as a simple. So if you see, you are getting, for both cases, you are getting this same thing, right? It looks like both are same, but actually it's not same. This is your as a descriptor. This is your label. Okay. But here, what we are saying, this is the symbol value for this key. This is the main difference, and like sometimes people get confused here. Okay. So just here in output, you will be thinking like this, like both are same, but let's compare actually like those. Okay. Let's here put one more log statement. Log equal to sim2. Okay. So even just put first equal on. Check this way. I'm sorry. Okay. This is false. So why it is false? Now I think you should you will understand this point here, right? This is your local first of all. Okay, and if like this is also creating, so if you are creating like this multiple times, even every time you will be getting different unique symbol value. Okay, so this is one good thing. Then next is like I want to talk about the key for method here. So when I want to get like what is the key for this symbol, right? Sometimes you may need this. So to get the key for this symbol, you have this function as a key for. Now if you, I just delete all this. Okay. So you will get this key here by using this key for. So I think I have actually like few points I have cleared like here, but still I'm going to make few more videos actually for the symbol, because like there are few other concepts which I don't want to mix with this video. So I will be like covering in my next videos. Thank you for watching this video.